Hey y'all, got the Vaquero's new 2-in-1 Freedom Combat exhaust in today. I'm going to show you the video. If you stick around to the end of the video, I've got some snaps of some issues I had with the system. I think I'm going to do a little work on the Vaquero today. You know why? Because this came. Yeah, buddy. I'm excited to see how that works out. Awesome. So this is what we got in the box. See some pipes. Instructions, that'll be very cool. There's a box of tools. Equipment. And there it is. Basically, two headers come into this thing right here. That's it. Nice. I like the look better. 100% like the sound better. Now she's got some crackling when I give her throttle too. Alright, so I had a few little issues with the entire exhaust system. I'll show you some pictures of it and try to give you a little voiceover. First things first, check out the color of the pipes that I pulled out. Why is the front one chrome? And check out that ding they painted right over it. You can see the front clamp is chrome, but the rear clamp is black. Not a real big deal unless you're looking. Yeah, so don't get me wrong, I really like it. But why would you have one header chrome when parts of it are chrome that stick out? I don't get it.